Alright, man, listen up. Ever had a breakup so brutal it made you question everything about being a man? Yeah, I've been there. And trust me, the lessons you learn will either make you stronger or leave you crying into a pint of ice cream. Let's make sure it's the first one. Breakups are brutal. No sugarcoating it. But here's the thing. Every failed relationship is a crash course in masculinity. It's not just about being strong. It's about knowing yourself, keeping your dignity, and never letting anyone make you feel small. In this video, I'm diving into my worst breakup ever. The one that shook me to my core and taught me more about being a man than any gym session, self-help book, or Instagram post ever could. I've been through my fair share of heartbreak. I've seen men crumble, men complain, men let anger and regret take over their lives. And I've seen others rise from the ashes like nothing happened. I'm talking about real men who take their losses, learn, and turn pain into strength. That's what this story is about. Learning the hard, real, classic lessons of masculinity the world won't teach you. First things first, own the reality. My breakup wasn't pretty. She left. I was blindsided. And for a while, I acted like a clown trying to get her back. Here's the hard truth. A real man doesn't beg. A real man doesn't chase someone who doesn't respect him. You face the truth. No sugarcoating, no excuses. Feeling hurt? Fine. Feeling lost? Fine. But don't wallow. Accept it. Look at yourself in the mirror and say, this is me and I'm taking control. That's classic masculinity in action. Pain is a teacher, not a weapon. You're not weak for feeling it. You're weak if you let it control you. Stand firm, breathe, and prepare for the lessons ahead. Don't hide behind distractions or cheap comforts. Drink your water, hit the gym, take the dog for a walk. Whatever gets you moving. Movement heals faster than whining. And remember, respect starts with yourself. If you don't respect yourself, no one else will. That's non-negotiable. Next step, analyze the wreckage. I had to look at what went wrong without blaming her or myself too harshly. Real men learn, not linger. Ask yourself, did I communicate? Did I set boundaries? Did I act like a man or a boy when it mattered? Brutal honesty is uncomfortable but necessary. Take notes, not resentment. Journaling or just talking it out with a brother can clarify things. The goal is improvement, not revenge. Understanding your mistakes doesn't make you weak. It makes you stronger, sharper, more prepared for the next chapter. Remember, this is about building habits, not dwelling on regrets. Analyze, learn, adjust, move forward. That's the masculine way. After a breakup, confidence is shredded. Rebuild it. Hit the gym, master a skill, take pride in your appearance, and make choices that scream self-respect. Confidence isn't arrogance. It's quiet strength. A man who owns himself doesn't need validation from anyone. Reconnect with passions that make you feel alive. Music, sports, hobbies, career goals, whatever fuels you. A fulfilled man attracts respect naturally. Social life matters too. Surround yourself with friends who lift you, not those who gossip or fuel self-pity. Brotherhood matters. Finally, set new standards for yourself and future relationships. Decide who you will be and what you will accept. That's power. Breakups are reminders. A man stands alone before he stands with anyone else. Independence is more than financial. It's emotional, mental, and spiritual. Don't rely on others to define your happiness. Learn to enjoy your own company, silence, and thoughts. Develop routines that serve you, not someone else. Discipline in small areas. Morning routines, workouts, diet, reading carries over into life. A man in control of himself is unstoppable. No woman, situation, or failure can shake him. And when you're truly independent, relationships become a choice, not a need. That's classic masculine strength. Finally, never lose your humor. Breakups are brutal, but they're also hilarious in hindsight. You'll look back and think, wow, did I really cry over that? Laugh at yourself. Laugh at the drama. Men who take life too seriously alone end up bitter. Humor is armor. Share your story with friends. Make fun. Make lessons. But never dwell in misery. Life is long. Pain passes. Strength remains. Masculinity isn't about avoiding heartbreak. It's about walking out stronger every time. And remember, every breakup is a reset button. Press it, learn, laugh, and move forward like a man who knows his worth. Your breakups suck, but they can forge men. Face the truth. Learn from mistakes. Rebuild confidence. Embrace independence and keep your humor. That's the classic masculine blueprint. Pain is temporary, strength is eternal. If you want to build unshakable masculinity and stop letting breakups or life define you, start today. Take action, own your life, and become the man you were meant to be. Comment below your worst breakup story and what it taught you. Let's learn from each other. Subscribe to the channel, leave your like, and don't miss our next videos.